Hi guys, so we're gonna start with some new makeup today, and I'm using the Rohd under eye patches. I just got them from Sephora and I really like them. Maybe I should have waited for the sale, but I got them just like a month ago and I wanted to try them on with you guys. So I'm just applying some concealer from MAC and I'm just gonna set that with some powder as well. I'm just using the Makeup by Mario brushes. I really like those ones. These are the travel size brushes and I really enjoy them. So I'm using that fluffy big brush. That's the only brush that you can use on your eyes, and you can use it for your under eye concealer as well. A new eyeshadow from Lancôme. This is in the shade number 3, I believe. I'll list everything down below, but this is a gorgeous color on the go. Like if you just want one color on your eyelids, you can just use this one. You can contour with it just on the crease area and you're done. You don't have to do anything else. Since I'm doing a very simple makeup today, so that's what I'm doing today, just putting that all over my lid and just drag it a little bit on the outside. I'm using Lancôme mascara here, and this is the newer edition. I love Lancôme mascaras. Monsieur Big is my favorite. This is my second probably. It gives you the volume and the curl, and it separates your eyelashes very nicely. Nothing new here. I have an old Kevyn Kwan pencil. I'm just filling in the blank here. I just have some missing hair. And this is new to me. This has got to be brow gel, I mean. And I got it from Shoppers. They have it available on Amazon as well. It holds my brows so nicely. It gives you that lamination effect. So now I'm going to use that YSL serum. I'm going to put it all over my face. I really like it for makeup because it gets absorbed so quickly into my skin. And the Rohd eye patches felt so good, and they don't slide or glide, so they stick to your skin. I have a new foundation from Clarins. I got it when it was released, but I never had a chance to use it. This is in the shade Light Neutral 3, and you can actually choose how intense you want it as coverage. So you can change the dial. And so what I do with this one, I tried it once and I didn't like it. And then the second time I used it, I put it on my face, left it for like 50 seconds on my face after I spread it. And I blended it afterwards and it looked so good. And it didn't budge all day just because it's serum-y. And it has skincare. You just need to kind of let it sit for a little bit until it dries down a little bit, and then you go ahead and blend it. Coverage is so beautiful. It gives you that flawless finish without being too much. For me, it's been a while since I had foundation in this video, so it was kind of weird applying all over my face. I usually just do concealer and bronzer and blush, but this looked so good. I'm just going to contour with the Westman Atelier bronzer stick. This is in the shade Biscuit. This has been my favorite for a long time now. I do have the Dior original stick as well, but I do love the color of this one better. The other one is more for like summertime. This is more of a cooler, kind of a little bit of warmth in it, but I love it for like an everyday bronzer. I have a new blush here from Patrick Ta. These are the mini sizes, and the color is She Is Seductive. I'm using the cream side first, and then we'll use the powder at the end. I really like the color. It can go with any look you have because it's nude, but it has a little bit of pink in it, some mauvey tone to it. It's just like so neutral color. I really like it. I have two concealers today and I wasn't sure which one to use, so I'm going to use the MAC one on my left eye and then the Charlotte Tilbury on the right side. They have nice coverage. I feel like the MAC is less coverage than the Charlotte Tilbury one. But the Charlotte Tilbury one can get a little bit cakey if you apply too much. So I learned my lesson after this video, and I would use less than what I have right now. The MAC one, I feel like it's going to be so good for like an everyday makeup look. It blended so nicely. It looked flawless all day, less heavy, less cakey. But when I asked my kids which side do you guys like better, they all pointed at the Charlotte Tilbury one. But I did like the MAC one at the end of the day, to be honest. But if I want to use the Charlotte Tilbury again, I would use a dot of that, and that would be it. I'm just applying more concealer on that pimple that I have on my chin. I haven't had a breakout in a while, and that was kind of weird, but it did look flawless. Like everything looks so flawless though, with both concealers. And now I'm gonna just set my makeup. As I said, no new powder to me. This is the Makeup by Mario powder in the shade Neutral. I really like it for my everyday. It doesn't make me feel dry. And I think I'm gonna get one more because I'm almost finished with this during the sale. And just whatever's left on the sponge, I'm just gonna put it all over my face. I don't like to usually set my face at all, but with this foundation probably you should. And now I'm gonna take She's Seductive powder with another brush from Makeup by Mario, and then I'm just gonna apply it all over so it sets everything in place. Such a gorgeous color. Like this is really my favorite from Patrick Ta so far. And I'm just gonna apply the mascara again on the bottom lashes because we're not doing anything other than that, because I'm really going for that simple look. And I'm just gonna touch up my bronzer. This is a new bronzer from Lancôme as well. I got it from Shoppers Drug Mart, but it's available at Sephora. I'm just gonna set everything in place as well. This flat brush from Makeup by Mario, it's really a hit for me. I love it for like everything. You can use it to contour, blush, highlight, whatever. It's so soft too. And this is an oldie but a goodie. This is the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I love it so much. It is so glowy, so beautiful on the skin. I don't know why I forgot about it. And I'm gonna use this new to me Tear setting spray, and I really like it. The mist is so fine, and it does help leaving my makeup look so put together and fresh and set all day without being dry. So this was my first time using it. I got a bunch of new lip products. I know I got so much, so I'll list everything down below what I got. So I'm gonna use the Rohd lip liner or lip contour. I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips. It is so pretty. It doesn't last a long time on the lips because it's a bit more of a creamy finish to it, and then it doesn't have that, you know, drying effect at the end. And now I'm gonna use Honey Glow. This is from GUERLAIN. I really like those sheer glosses that they have. And it changes in color at the end to your lip color, more on the pinky side. I thought it was going to be warmer because it was called Honey Glow, but it's so gorgeous. I've got lashes from Sephora, but I'm not going to apply any today. I just love the way my makeup look right now. It looks so clean, put together, not too much on the eyes. I love just a good mascara or some lashes. But this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys soon.